One of the things I tell people is you'd be amazed in microcaps how much the industry sector is responsible for the share price of a stock going up. Some people have said up to 50% of the share price going up of a stock is related to excitement and a bullish industry. I don't think that's news. All we have to do is look at artificial intelligence AI recently to see this as proof. Versus AI, tiny little microcap stock on the Canadian Securities Exchange, I was bullish on the stock at 60 cents. It went up to almost $3. Even larger companies involved in artificial intelligence AI, Nvidia is up 220% in 1 year. That is stunning. Finding the right industry first and then finding the right stock can make people money. So this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm definitely not your financial advisor. But having good discussions about these types of things can make us all better investors. And one topic that I've recently had discussions about with you in a live stream is the Canadian housing crisis. Immigration in Canada is up massively, record-setting immigration levels. Housing is not. Here is your unprecedented surge in Canadian population. People coming to this country looking for work and looking for homes. There isn't any. Canada's housing supply deficit hits new record recently, and it's not really getting any better. The government is throwing money at this problem, and it's just not having the desired effect. Housing starts, despite all this new infrastructure and capital, is still down. Now, this is common sense investing, and even though housing starts aren't up yet, you have to look at the data, you have to look at the numbers and figure out, you know what? Common sense is telling me that it has to happen eventually. Eventually, there is going to be a housing boom in Canada, and it has to happen sooner than later. Otherwise, a lot of people are going to be homeless. So if we could start this video with at least being mildly bullish that a Canadian housing boom is going to occur relatively soon, sometime in the next couple years, that's a good start for this next stock. You're watching Common Sense Investing. My name is Cameron. Let's get started. Fab-Form sustainable foundations can help people build housing quicker. They have the 5-hour foundation where you could build the foundation of a new home in 5 hours. Let's take a quick look at them building this thing. Normally, foundations are made out of lumber, a lot of work, a lot of scrap lumber, a lot of constructing it, putting it all together. This just looks easy. It's light, it's prefabbed. You put it into place, you cut it to where you need it. It's quick and it's fast. A 5-hour foundation for a home is insanely fast. This means that we could build more homes in Canada quicker and hopefully at a better price. So this is huge. Like if this catches on, I could see a lot of home builders taking advantage of this product. And boom, you're ready for a pour and then you're ready for a home. I mean, it's quick, it's easy, it's simple. I like companies that solve problems. And if building houses quick is a problem that we need to solve, Fab-Form could be one of the solutions. And if that's not enough, they have other solutions here like fast foot, quick footings. In fact, they have decades of products that they have been developing for this very problem, solving this very problem. Now, that is possibly the best bull case for this stock, is that they have all these products ready to go to help Canadians build homes quicker. This is possibly also one of the red flags where they have been building these products for a long time, and it's been a long, slow adoption, right? This is not an Apple stock. They're not making $1 billion. This is a tiny little microcap company with a lot of solutions to build houses quickly and better, and they're having trouble selling it. Quick look at their financials. This is a profitable penny stock. They have a gross profit. They have earnings from operations. They have earnings before income taxes. They have total comprehensive income for the quarter. This company is not money losing, they are money making. However, revenues are down, right? There's been a shortage in Canadian housing for a reason. That's because housing starts are down. Housing starts are down. This company's revenue is down. This is a short introductory video. Go have a look. Go research this stock yourself. Let me know what you think of Fab-Form. But right here, I'm seeing $5.7 million of assets over liabilities of less than $1 million. This is a nice looking balance sheet. Number of shares, obviously 9 billion shares. Wait, a lot of penny stocks have 9 billion shares. It's tragic how many of them. It's terrible. 9 million shares for Fab-Form. That is not a huge float, right? If we're looking at the stock going up, if you're looking at a stock with profits, that is not a lot of shareholders for you to split those profits with. Now, very quickly, what is the reward? What is the risk, in my opinion, of Fab-Form stock? I think the bull case here is pretty obvious. If housing starts get improve in Canada, if this company can get a bit of marketing with that, then it's got a low share count, right? It's profitable already, so people have time to wait. There's a lot of things this company has going right for it where it can improve in the future. And the downside risk is when? When are things going to change? When are housing starts going to improve? When is their revenue going to go up? And if the industry does start booming, can they convince enough old timers that have been building foundations out of lumber for their entire career, can they convince them to use Fab-Form, right? Marketing is a big problem here. They have a YouTube channel. You could do some more research by watching some of their videos. But here on this interview on Small Cap Discoveries, you could see the new CEO. They do recently have a new CEO. That's another bullish indicator that things might change. But he is talking about influencers, and what they're talking about is using social media to get the word out, to convince and to market this product onto the concrete industry, onto the construction industry, to build more houses, to get Fab-Form out there in front of more people. Recently, they're struggling to do this, and recently they're struggling to market their share price as well. Down another 7% as I record this video, $1.55 Canadian. For this price, watching Fab-Form, this is good enough for this company to go on my watch list. I want to do a bit more research. Is Fab-Form a good stock pick for 2024? It's another profitable penny stock for this channel. Thank you for watching. You've been watching Common Sense Investing. I hope to see you again soon.